this video I'm going to show you how you can change Uber Eats bicycle to car. So congratulations, now you have a car. What you want to do is open up your web browser here on your phone and just Google search for change Uber Eats vehicle and open up this first link here. It might ask you to log in with your account here in the top right corner, and once we have logged in with our account, we will just scroll down, and here if you wish to change your delivery mode, please select one of the following. And for example, like I said, we were using a bicycle, now we'll be using a car, so we have to select light vehicle. So toggle this option on, and we'll need to type our maker, model, year, and that's basically it, because we are not going to be riding a bicycle anymore. So for example, Mini Cooper, the year is going to be 2002, old car, okay. And in the second slot here, we'll need to type our license plate. So write out your license plate, and you need to attach a photo of your license plate. And if you want to proceed with your request here, you will just type I agree like this, and after we have attached all of the information needed, we'll just click on submit, and that's how you change from bicycle to car on Uber Eats. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.